G'day traders, Sam here, looking at Bitcoin dominance. And let's start with the weekly. The weekly pretty much shows that we come to a fib level and also potentially a support and resistance level. So if we were to look at this historically, roughly there, we had support. And we had some confluence there with a bounce before we went down more further. And we also have resistance around that layer. So we've got a few layers of resistance and support. So the weekly has hit that level. This blue line is the weekly 20 moving average. And we got this moving average, channel. And what I've noticed from this, if I go to the daily, is probably a bit better. So let's switch this out. Whenever price came down to this level, like previously, around there, if we break the 20 moving average on the weekly we see a big move to the upside. Now, if we look at that and compare it to say Bitcoin, give me a sec, and I'll do. Let's get this right. This is the 4 hour. We don't want that. We want the daily. And let's just get the log settings done. All right. Bit congested, but let's just see how we go. So last time when we break the 20 moving average, I'm going to put a vertical line right there. We'll break the 20 moving average after the bounce. And I'll change that color. Where is it? I want to make that represent Bitcoin. So moving this across. So that doesn't help. That's when we're in the bear market. And let's try that one there. There's another time where we break the 20 moving average to the upside. And we move across. You can see Bitcoin doing a nice rally up there. Let's move across some more, just for another example, when we break the 20 moving average. Another bull run. So if we go across, so what we can see, we just stretch this and align this around. Maybe just shrink it a bit. What we can see is confluence on one thing, besides this bear market. The two other times when it broke the 20 weekly moving average, here we had a bull run. And again, over here, we had a bull run. So if we are to break this, and I think we are, I think Bitcoin dominance is going to go along these lines, up. I don't know, a lot of people have been speculating about the alts kicking in and thinking this is going to go down. We could be really badly mistaken if it doesn't. We need to see this go down for the alts. Obviously, it's pretty clear. But if we see any sign of this breaking to the upside, mate, you've got to get rid of your alts, because the alts aren't going to do much. So this is becoming very critical, in my opinion, this level. And let's have a closer look as of now. So that is a key level. And your strategy really depends on this, doesn't it? I mean, you don't want to mess this one up. I'm probably 90% in Bitcoin at the moment. And the remaining is pretty much mostly on the Ethereum. So what we have here on the daily, or this is a 2-day actually, on the daily, we do see a bit of resistance. This was pre-drawing before. We're having, let's have a real good closer look. So yes, we have an indecision candlestick there. And what's really concerning is see how we had resistance that layer there. So that could actually act like support. So this potentially could come down and then go up. So our weekly moving average, 20 weekly moving average is that. And we had a resistance there. There's some confluence there. So the RSI is up. And the fact that it's this high, if you see in the past when it's about this high, it continues, even though it's, yeah, I suppose that doesn't quite help there. I've got this yellow line, and if it goes below that, that's when I'll go with YOLs. So my daily has to break this level. I actually might change that a bit. Give me a sec. Go to a 12-hour. Okay, so the 12-hour does not going to help me unless, let's look at the 4-hour. All right, so maybe we have a chance using this 4-hour and see if it holds. So if this, so I might have a bit of an early warning. If this is going to help us out, not sure. This could be an indication. Right now on the 4-hour, we have definitely a bit of resistance. It's just the first one. And we need to be watching this to make sure that if it doesn't quite get there yet, but this 20 weekly moving average is very important as I think. And anyway, I just wanted to highlight that in the past we saw that definitely represents a bullish market. So give me a sec. Let's see, get rid of some of this stuff. And actually, where are we? Yeah. Here we go. Just the indicator would be probably, is that what it is? No, that doesn't help. Not hiding, that's pretty much it. So, do we have a double bottom here? And if it is, it's this could be a reversal pattern as well. You can see that, a triangle reversal pattern. If I can get my drawings right there. So that's a triangle, and this could be, actually I might just do this. As I said, that this yellow line could go down or up, but I think this part here is going to act for resistance because it's been consistently being resistant all the way through. So it's a strong line, and that did work here. So the 20 average, and that is a strategy. I'll leave it at that. Hopefully that helps you out, but definitely be careful.